Hi, I'm going to convert an existing MCQ PDF question paper in Italian into an online quiz within minutes without doing any cut paste or any typing of content or any image manipulation. If you are the first time user, you can register here as a teacher. You can write your organization name and its address, and then you can add your name as a teacher and your email ID, and you click on add button. Similarly, you can have multiple teachers under the same organization just by clicking add button here. And finally, you can save all the teachers under the same organization so that they will have an instant access. Since I already have an access, so I'm going to click on this and take to the dashboard. So dashboard looks like this. There are two buttons here, the test and the batches. So in batches, I take care of all the students in different batches, my database, and in my test section, I manage all the tests. So we are going to create test using an existing PDF file, which I downloaded from an internet. So which is pretty much a very normal PDF file that you see, very uninteractive and stubborn. Though I like PDFs a lot because they are very, you know, is a very portable way to keep the content intact. So this is the first question, and suppose this is a single correct question. So I choose single correct, and then marking scheme, suppose 2 marks for the correct and -1 for the incorrect and 0 for unattempted, and I click on add button. So I click on the add button. Then I'm going to put interactivity in front of this question, and like this. And then I suppose third option is correct. So I double click on third option. It gets blue, which means I have already selected, and then I hit save button. And see, you can see the first question is done. You can delete it from here. You can see the marking scheme also. Similarly, the second question, I click on near each of these options to set up the interactivity in front of them. And suppose the fourth option is correct, I click on the fourth option and save it. So similarly, if you have 100 question or 150 questions or even smaller number of question, it will hardly take any time to create an online quiz without doing any cut pasting, without doing any manipulation of content, any back end or front end of any application. And then you save the test. Once you save the test, uh, you write the name of the test. You can enter the duration of the test, say suppose 30 minutes. You can write the description. If you have a longer string, you can write it here. So right now it's showing 2 question, 4 marks maximum marks, because I have done only 2 questions. You can add the solution file to it so that the student, when they take when they have completed the test, they will receive a file in the view only format only, so that they can refer to what went wrong and why did the question is correct and wrong. And then you save it. As soon as you hit save button here on the on this pop up, your question paper is made. So right now it's only 2 question and 4 marks. You can go here, edit button, and then you can go back, add the rest of the question here. You can delete this test with the delete button. Also, you can send it to your colleagues and peers who are on the system by writing their email. If they are on PDF mock, you will find it, and you can share it so that this test start showing on their dashboard. And now I'm going to schedule it. So there are two options, closed ended and open ended. Closed ended means a specific time and date when the test is starting and ending. Open ended means it starts, but manually you have to go and end it whenever you like. And you allocate it to these students batches, which I have created in my batch section. If you want to have any student whosoever gets the link and take the test, you can allow external student also, and you hit schedule. So if the test is created, you can go here and check the detail. You can copy the URL and send it to your WhatsApp group, Telegram channel, or your LMS, or through email. you can edit the schedule here or you can stop the schedule here. So this is pretty much you have to do. Now you have seen how an existing PDF can be converted into an online test without doing much effort. It's very easy. I use it all the time. It has saved hundreds of hours of menial tasks like cut paste and typing of the content in the back end of the application. It's way better than Google Forms or any other application for testing. So thank you, use it.